Okay, so it's raining, and today is the Santa Claus Parade. I didn't finish my vlog from the other day, this one. It is 6:30 a.m. Warm, it's about 15 degrees. First time I've vlogged since I've been back from Japan. I'm sorry, I've neglected my vlogs. And you might notice I have a lot of facial hair that I've been growing over the week. Well, you're gonna find out. Because I was not able to vlog on set of where I was heading for that certain commercial. So we're gonna have to wait and see the finished product to explain why I was up at 6:30 with a beard. I don't think I've ever actually come to watch the Santa Claus Parade in Vancouver. Now, you ever seen it in Vancouver?
No, not in Vancouver.
So it's the first for the both of us. So the parade runs down Georgia Street, which is the main street that takes you from North Vancouver down to South Vancouver. And this is just the 10th Santa Claus Parade in Vancouver. Quite a few people showing up though in the rain. The fire trucks love to come out for parades. Any parade you have in a city, anywhere, the fire departments are always in it. It is just coming down. It couldn't be raining more. But it's great to see all the people out for a great parade. So the rain has stopped, the parade's been going on for a little over an hour, and the umbrellas have gone away, but no Santa in sight, and my battery is gonna die very soon. And after about an hour and 20 minutes, Santa is finally here.